Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, it's never a good day when you're holding one of these things. This is sort of the next step and I guess the diagnosis process for what's going on with my S13. Before I jump into doing this comp test, here's some footage of pretty much the day after I noticed that it was making a horrible ticking noise. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button, tell your friends about the channel, and comment your thoughts. Don't want to have to rebuild it. Last night I went to James Nolan's house. He gave me a hand putting in a couple of things in the bay. If you want to see that, head over to his channel. But on the way there, it was raining. Gave it a little bit of sauce. I didn't smack limiter, but I think I've snapped a rocker arm, and I have rocker stoppers. So it's a high chance it's going to be a mess in there. I'm not excited. Best case scenario, maybe it's just snapped a rocker and that's just like sitting in there, and the shim's easy to find and bucket's not fucked. Worst case scenario, head off. But yeah, this video is probably going to be a short one because I just want to know what's going on with this thing. I'm so gutted, man. Also, this gazebo was set up super low, just in case it hailed, because there's meant to be a big storm, you know, big ass storm coming, clearly, like massive. But I just went around and like raised it by each leg, and I did this side, and then I did this side, and I had my window open. This retard forgot to check whether or not there's a whole bucket of water up in the thing. Turns out there's a whole bucket of water up in the thing. So that sucked. Oh well, is what it is. So I was standing here for about 5 minutes, pretty darn stumped, and then I was like, who would know? So I contacted Will. Thanks Will if you're watching this. And he was like, that's odd that they're still together, because the noise definitely sounds like it's coming from inside the head. And then he was like, it's odd that cylinder 1 intake cam is wearing but only on one side. So he said, unplug the injectors and then just turn it over by the key. Make sure it like obviously doesn't start, but just to see if you're getting sufficient oil pressure out of that oil squirter out there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I couldn't see anything from the driver's seat. I guess I'll try again and just hold the key on for a little bit longer each time now. Maybe because I'm like just doing these ones, maybe it's not having enough time to build oil pressure. I don't know. Let's go. Well, that confirms it. I have no fucking idea what's going on.
Do it for a little bit long, because nothing's going wrong. It's just turning. And there's oil on the cams and everything. Yeah. So you're not gonna like score them necessarily. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay, so you got oil on all of them but one.
All of them but one?
One is like it was almost about to start coming out, but I don't know if it's getting pressure or not.
Should I keep going?
Because you'll have most of the pressure up there now anyway, so. Yeah, okay, stop. Yeah, so one on the intake side is not getting any oil.
Okay.
So every single other one is dripping. It's really cool actually, you want to watch it?
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Interesting, yeah, okay. Outside in.
Oh, dude.
What?
It's been like that for a long time. Feel the lip on the cam.
Oh, holy dooly.
That's huge. That's not been getting oil probably ever. That's new cam sort of territory. It's not have to get new cam territory. The only thing it's going to score is the rocker. Yeah. The rocker's like $38 or something, brand new. Yeah, right. So like if you can get oil to that cylinder, you can keep running it like this until you can afford to go do your tune and get the video cams that you want. And then if you fuck up the rocker, then you just
Buy a new
replace
rocker.
it and put a new rocker. It's not going to snap the rocker, it's not going to explode it, it's just going to score it and mark it until it starts getting louder and louder and louder and louder.
Yeah, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, okay. Well, that's good to know.
That's the other thing, is it could be being really loud because the rocker's probably, yeah, look at the rocker. Yeah, dude, the rocker's already fucking...
The rocker's just fucked already. Yeah.
You might want to put in a new rocker anyway. I don't know. But yeah, that's what your noise is going to be, it's just going to be that cam.
Okay, sick. I am not letting myself really work on this car until I finish the 34, and today, or after I put the rocker cover back on, I'm going to head into Burley and pick up that drive shaft, so should be able to get that done today. I'm not too sure where to go from here. Obviously, I'm going to have to pull that cam out because I need to have a decent look at the rocker itself, but also to get this squirter out because it ties into the cam caps. I'll have to take it out anyway, so yeah, that's sort of the plan. Just going to put the rocker cover back on and just have the bolts there nicely, sort of, and then go and sort that out. Okie dokie, so this is a compression tester. The plan for now is I'm just going to pull out all of the coil packs, undo the injectors just from the harness there, take a spark plug out and do it cylinder by cylinder. You wind this in, you crank it over, and then you can read what pressure is in each cylinder. Hopefully, if they're all even, that's good. Even if they're a little bit low, that's okay. This is always a pretty nervous making thing because, you know, if one's a lot lower than the other, you got a big problem. So I'm hoping it's just like nice and even, but I'm feeling optimistic. Okie dokie, I'm gonna crank that till it gets to the max cylinder pressure and then hopefully it's good. Hey! I mean, that's still pretty fucking low, but hey, it's like 110. That's the cylinder bit I'm worried about. That's fine. That's good, yeah, that's a good start. Ooh! 120-ish? 115. What we got, boy? What we got? 120. Woo! Comp is fine. I know that this coil pack's for an S13 because it says SR20 record writing on it. It still is low comp, but can compensate with boost. This is a good thing. So I guess the next step is I just got to get them stock cams. I'll pull this intake cam off and I'll really be able to inspect that front rocker. Hopefully chuck that cam in, hopefully cam's good. And then chuck another rocker in there and and the problem, yeah, well that oil squirter's off. I'll just hopefully unplug it, figure out why it's not doing the thing, and then chuck it all back in and then go. Yeah, it's pretty low comp. I think they're meant to be around 150, so 110 is probably just a smidge low. I didn't really say, but the reason I wanted to do a comp test is if there was any problem with any sort of valve dropping, it would have come up pretty obvious in the comp test. So yeah, I mean, all is good. Hopefully I can get that intake cam hopefully this week and then can have that back on the road. I just want to drive, man. I gotta fix my tie rods. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, tell some friends about the channel, and like always, if you're new here and just subscribe, your name goes at the end of the next video. Also, still got that t-shirt giveaway going on. If you head over to my Instagram, the details will be in that post. Cheers.